Freshman on the first day of school, take 1.
I don't know where I'm going.
Audition for sophomores, take 1.
I just got my license. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Let's go to McDonald's.
Dude, we can't go off campus yet. We're sophomores.
Whatever.
Auditions for the day in the life of a junior.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Auditions for senior.
Senior? Senior? Where is everyone? Today's senior skip day. I thought it was tomorrow. Audition for Hollowell, take 1.
Making my way to class, walking fast, 'cause my legs are so long. Educate health too, my child beats cute, and I'm like 7'2". Kahooter, backpack on, and now I heel click.
Audition for Coons, take 1.
Hola, it's Senor Kuntz. I teach Spanish 1 and 2. These are socks, these are sandals. I don't mess with shoes.
Auditions for...
Is that a phone? Is that being used for educational purposes?
Auditions for Patty, take 2.
Get to class or get a pass. I can see you leaving campus through the back.
The audition's now.
Time out, time out, time out.
Basketball, shot clock, my shoe game, so hot.
My suit game, don't stop, shoot me 3 popped off. My best friend, we go off, we teach y'all non-stop.